Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Trim 2 pounds beef into 1:1. 5-inch cubes and pat them dry. Season beef with 1 teaspoon salt and 1/2 teaspoon black pepper per pound. Cut 1 large onion and 3 cloves garlic to release more flavor when cooked. Heat a Dutch oven and add 2 tablespoons oil until shimmering. Sear beef in 2 tablespoons oil over medium-high heat for 2 to 3 minutes per side. Work in batches to avoid crowding and develop a deep brown crust. Deglaze the pot with 1 cup red wine or 1 cup beef broth, scraping brown bits. Add 3 cups beef broth, 2 bay leaves, and 1 tablespoon tomato paste for depth. Stir in 2 carrots chopped and 2 stalks celery chopped for classic flavor. Bring to a gentle boil, then reduce to low heat and cover the pot. Simmer covered on low for 2 hours until beef is tender and connective tissue has broken down. Check after 90 minutes for seasoning and liquid level, adjusting with salt or more broth. Add 2 cups peeled potatoes cut into 1-inch pieces and simmer 25 to 30 minutes until fork tender. Stir in 1 cup frozen peas during the last 5 minutes to retain color and texture. Make a slurry using 2 tablespoons flour mixed with 3 tablespoons cold water to thicken gently. Remove bay leaves and taste, adjusting with 1/2 teaspoons salt if needed. Finish with 2 tablespoons chopped parsley for brightness and serve hot with.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.